Hello everyone and welcome back again to my channel. Thank you all for coming along to watch my video. For those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Stella and I say welcome to you all. Please do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel, like and share after watching each of my videos. I will really do appreciate if you do that. Thank you once again. So I'm going to show you guys how I prepared this delicious looking fish soup. Now this is the fish that I'm going to be using. It was harvested the very day I used it. That means it is fresh. It wasn't in the freezer. That is a fresh fish. You can see how chubby the fish is looking. Refreshed. It has not visited the freezer. Chubby, fresh fish. And you can imagine how tasty it's going to be. Now I'm going to be showing the spices that I use. These are herbs. There's what we call usumada. There's what we call urioma, oda. The pepper is there. And I have a scent leaf already blended. Those of us that comes from Nigeria, you understand these spices, these herbs that I'm going to be using. And if you're not from Nigeria, you can order your spices from Amazon. Just type in Nigerian pepper soup spice. So my fish is getting into the pot to be ready to be cooked. I'm going to be adding the spices in it. This is not I'm not going to call it pepper soup because the important things that I use here are herbs and they are medicinal. They can help you when you are having sore throat, when you have fever, and when you have sinus. This can clear your airways. And even in the cold, after eating this, you see that your body temperature has changed. I'm going to add a 2 sticks of oda. When you are adding your oda, you have to break it and remove the seed in it. I added my salt and chicken bouillon. Season it to your own taste. The most important thing in it is the herbs. So whatever thing that you added after that does not really matter. The herb is the medicine in the water. So you have to eat the fish with the water because that is the main thing. So I have to cover the pot and allow it to cook for about 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, it is ready. Fish is not difficult to cook. So that is the pepper soup. The pepper soup that is loaded with spices. It is ready. And you can, go ahead and season it to your own taste. Add your salt, chicken bouillon, So thank you all for watching my video. The fish is ready. I'm going to go ahead and dish it out as I can start eating it. You can eat this like this. You can use it to eat rice. You can use bread on it, or anyhow you want to use it. You can even use the pounded yam, like pounded yam. Nigerian food is trending now, so you can use this on any of the pounded yam. So thank you all. I really do appreciate. I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye.